Hey guys, IrwinTech here. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be going over the topic of how to unblock all websites on your school Chromebook. Before we start today's tutorial, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those post notifications so you can get notified whenever I upload banger videos just like this one. Anyways guys, I'm not going to waste any more of your time. Let's just get straight into the video. Quick announcement. Thank you to all these people for being members on my channel. Okay, back to the video. Alrighty guys, so before we start this tutorial, please go to this website, which will be linked in the description below. So once you're at this website, this is a free web proxy website, which we'll be using to unblock all the websites on your school Chromebook. So a free web proxy or a web proxy is basically whenever you enter a URL and then hit go, it hides the URL with the VPN, it masks it, and IP, MAC address, all sort of stuff just like that. And when you hit go, it will open the website you put in their website, like they embed the website inside of theirs. So you're not actually visiting the website, it's just embedded in their website. So if you're going to your school or trying to block stuff, it'll think it's just this website and won't be able to recognize it's like Amazon or something just like that. I made a new video on this because it's a new school year and the last one from last school year no longer works, and I'm just going to be making a new one for you guys so you guys can use this at your school, brand new, fresh, and updated. So we're gonna go ahead and test this out. We're gonna go ahead and enter in a URL. Like, let's say I want to look at some Amazon stuff because I'm bored at school. I'm just gonna type in amazon.com, US server, EU server, you can choose whatever, US server. I'm just gonna go ahead and click go right here, and as you can see, the Amazon site is embedded in the proxy site like you say up here. So it's just the proxysite.com right here. It's not actually the Amazon link, because like I said, it's embedded in their website and you're able to do everything like you could in regular Amazon. You can shop for whatever you want to see, whatever you want to look at, and you can do the same for thousands and thousands of other links. It works with any link. I'm just using Amazon as an example, so it's just embedded in here. I can shop for things, I can buy things if I wanted to at school, look at some cool stuff, just anything like that. You can play games. If you put the game as a link, you can do that as well. You can play games, you can watch YouTube if it's blocked, you can go to Amazon, you can do basically anything. So this is the updated proxy, like kind of school unblocker in 2021, since like I said, last year's is no longer working, and plus it's a new school year. You need a fresh video with fresh methods and stuff like that. So that's basically it for this video. This is basically how you unblock all the websites on your school Chromebook. I got school on Monday, so I'll definitely be using this, guys. Have fun and enjoy. Thank you all for watching. Here are all the shoutouts for today's video, and if you want to be featured in one of my videos, just comment down below I subscribed and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Anyways guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.